Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if your iPhone is being tapped. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I would first recommend opening up the phone app, and let's do a couple different things to make sure nobody is intercepting your phone calls or text messages. So the first thing I would recommend doing is dialing *#21# and hitting call. You'll be able to see it says setting interrogation succeeded, voice call forwarding, all calls disabled. And then you can see data call forwarding disabled, all calls fax, SMS. Essentially, this is all of the potential forwarding of text messages, of voice calls, of video calls, all of that. If somebody is intercepting these, you want to make sure it is set to disabled. So across all of these, they should be set to disabled at the very bottom. If they are not, or you just want to make sure they're not, we're going to dial ##21# and hit call. You'll be able to see it says setting erasure succeeded. Essentially, it's bringing all of these settings just back to the factory default, preventing any call forwarding, any text message forwarding, anything like that. All calls and everything will be turned off for call forwarding. The next thing I want to show you is let's make sure that no one is listening in through your microphone. So you can see if I turn on voice memos, at the very top right is that little orange icon. And if I swipe down, it'll say, of course, in this case, voice memo is using my microphone. Let me pause that real quick. And if I tap on it, you'll be able to see, okay, my privacy, the microphone was recently used. Check to see if your microphone or your camera has been recently used on your iPhone. Again, that's another indication that your phone could be tapped. If it is, it's pretty easy to deal with. All we need to do is go into your settings, and then you're going to go to privacy and security, and then go to where it says microphone on this list. And you'll be able to see every app and everything on your phone that could potentially be using your microphone. So all you need to do is go through the process of turning these off. Essentially, if anything is using your microphone that you don't want it to, all you need to do is toggle it off just like that. The next thing that we will do is check to make sure that nothing is being forwarded without your permission in the settings. So open up the settings on your iPhone, and from these settings at the very beginning, let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps, and then we're going to scroll down until we get to phone on this list. You'll be able to see when I'm in here, if I scroll down again, you can see call forwarding. Now, we first just entered in that code in the phone. However, a lot of times this is call forwarding through your carrier, through AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, whatever you have. However, let's tap on call forwarding and make sure call forwarding is turned off as well. That is another way potentially somebody is tapping your phone and your phone calls. If this is turned on and there's a random number in there, make sure to turn that off and you'll be good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.